Welcome. If you wonder how you can just set password on your application on the stored part of the storage in your Huawei P30 Lite, the first thing is just to open the settings. Then we have to move to the security and privacy, and as you can see we have here two options: private space and the file safe. So encrypt your photos, videos, music and other files to protect your privacy, and the private space is completely separate space where you can store files, information and other data that is just for us. So maybe we can try this application. So let's click on enable. Now we have to input our pin code 134679. Okay, now we have set a special pin, so we can go with the same because there is only example. Okay, but as you can see, the same it cannot be the same password. So let's go with 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now just confirm 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh, come on, what is going on? 1 2 3 4 5. And let's this can or repeat second is forbidden. Okay, so maybe put it like this: 1 4 7 9 3 6. 1 4 7 9 6 3. And the notification pop-ups because my previous lock screen was 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is what happened. And pin lock set associated with your fingerprint to enable quick unlock. Not really. Okay, and what is going on right there? Okay, we have to swipe, enter the pin. So it was 1 3 4 6 7 9. Okay, now we want to log in, and if you want to log in, now you have to input your privacy space pin. So it was it was 1 4 7 9 6 and 3, right? Okay, and yeah, as you can see, now we are in the separate mode that only you have access. So really cool feature in the Huawei P30 Lite. I hope that I'll help you guys. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.